Don't drop your bagel, dude.
Hey everybody, it's me Danjo. I'm here with Lauren and we're in Forest Park in St. Louis. We're gonna be on the quest to photograph fall foliage, part 2. It's real pretty.
Yeah.
So the day after we went hiking the other day, there was a cold snap and a lot of the fall colors kind of fell away. We're still walking around the park now. I mean, it's beautiful. You can't go wrong with autumn. The weather is amazing. The scenery is beautiful. Forest Park is lovely. Fun fact, Forest Park in St. Louis is actually bigger than Central Park in New York. Google it. So we are right by the art museum.
This is Art Hill.
This is Art Hill, got it. So it is a little busy out today, but that's also because it's Sunday and it may be the last beautiful weather day of the year. Yeah, it just seems like it's only gonna get colder and the leaves are gonna just like keep falling off. So I'm pretty happy that we're out here.
Funny stuff this year.
Yeah.
We had a ginkgo tree. I have a ginkgo tree next to me, and they actually turned bright yellow. That last night or the night before when it got cold.
Oh, because it got so cold, they
came
immediately
down.
fell
My
down.
mom had a bright yellow tree too, and overnight it was gone.
Yeah, they call it global warming, but it's really global weather changes.
Yeah, all the time, yeah.
It's for sure that it's happening
Yeah.
and stuff like that. It's changing everything. They're growing grapes in places with the same longitude as Anchorage, Alaska. They're starting to grow grapes that gets to 90 degrees in summer.
Wow.
So it's interesting.
So much changing.
Yeah.
You're just enjoying the fall?
Yeah, this is neat. Parks are neat.
Yeah.
St. Louis has a lot of parks.
It's lovely. It's nice to just sit and enjoy
Yeah.
nature a bit.
Yeah.
Have a good day,
See you
sir.
later. Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
What a sweet old man.
Saw some close-ups people took of these, the pine needles that have all turned
I mean, these are beautiful right here.
like a burnt orange.
This is pretty cool.
That's pretty.
For the thumbnail.
Yep.
Oh, here. I get lost very often. There's been so many times on vacation where I'm just standing in the middle of a courtyard just like, where's my girlfriend? Thankfully today she's wearing like a teal shirt so I can find her. Okay, so Forest Park was real pretty. Because that cold snap the other day, you could see that like some of the leaves had fallen off, but it was still absolutely stunning. It was a good day. I think the quest for fall photographs,
Success?
success.
Good.
Yeah, absolutely. At least until next year.
Yeah, we'll try again.
Yeah, we'll have to try
In a
again next year.
different country.
Maybe, we'll see where we're at. Hey Danjo. Woo! Like and subscribe!
Gang.
Thanks man, appreciate it. Have a great day.
Approximately 10 hours later.
My dudes. It's snowing. This is insane. Yesterday, I was finishing up the quest for fall foliage, and here we are today. This is insane to me. I don't understand anything. I've been on like mountains where I've skied and stuff, but I've never just been in a random neighborhood and it just snowed overnight. This is crazy to me. I should probably not be standing on the slipperiest part of the road though. Better. Although I am excited to photograph some snow. Perhaps there should be a quest to photograph winter colors? Huh? Doesn't sound as fun as fall foliage. Winter whiteness? Ooh, no, I should stay away from that. Oh, all right. It's getting really windy, so I'm gonna go inside again. If you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button in the face, bang that bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!